Is your Android phone this slow? Apps taking forever to open, lag everywhere, and everything just feels stuck? Now look at this. Same phone, but way faster. No apps, no root, just 6 simple steps. In this video, I show you how to speed up your Android phone using simple built-in settings. And trust me, the final step will completely transform your phone. Stick around till the end. Clear app cache. Let's start by clearing the cache of heavy apps like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Now, go to Settings, Apps, select the app, clear cache. Do this for your must-used apps. You'll immediately free up memory and reduce lag. Remove or disable unused apps. Got old apps you never open? They still take up space and run background tasks? Now go to Settings, Apps, select App, uninstall or disable. Fewer apps, faster performance and better battery life. Check storage space. One of the most common causes of a slow phone is low internal storage. When your phone is almost full, it slows everything down. Now go to Settings, Storage and check how much free space you have. If it's almost full, delete large videos, old downloads, and move photos to cloud storage or a memory card. Freeing up space can make a huge difference in speed. Web cache partition. Here is a powerful tip not many people know. Web the system cache without deleting data. You need to put into recovery mode. Just search online web cache partition plus your phone model. For example, for my mobile phone, I need to shut it down, then keep pressing on power button and the volume up together between 5 to 8 seconds. Then boom, I'm in recovery mode. Once done, restart your device and you'll notice smoother performance right away. Let's go to step 5. Update your system and apps. Outdated software can slow things down. So go to Settings, search for Software Update, check for updates, then open the Google Play Store and update your apps. Simple but effective. Now the biggest boost. Developer option magic. Now for the most powerful tip, developer options. Here's how to unlock it. Go to Settings, search for About Phone, then tap build number 7 times, or maybe sometimes OS number. So you'll unlock developer option. Now go to Settings, developer option, find these settings. Window animation skill, transition animation skill, and animator duration skill. Set them all to 0.5x or even off for an instant speed boost, and your phone will feel smoother, faster, and responsive guaranteed. If none of these 6 steps worked, your last resort might be factory reset. But warning, this will erase all your data. So before doing a factory reset, back up your important data, contacts, photos, videos, to Google Drive or an SD card. But also be careful, delete your Google account after you back up and before the reset. Why? Because phones running Android 5 and above have built-in FRB, Factory Reset Protection System. So, if your Google account remains linked and you forget your login, the phone may lock permanently after the reset. So, double check. Backup complete, Google account removed, only then proceed with the reset safely. And that's it. 6 easy steps to bring your phone back to life. To summarize, first step, clear app cache. Second one, remove unused apps. Third one, free app storage. Fourth, Web system cache. And 5. Update your system and apps. And 6. The magic one, developer options. If you tried any of these tips, let me know in the comments. Did you feel the difference? And don't miss the next video, where I show you the common mistakes that destroy your battery life and how to actually extend its life the right way. Make sure to like, subscribe, and explore my other videos for more Android tricks, tips, and performance hacks.